Welcome. Today we're going to give some feedback on the tool called Planela. Um, as I can see, plan smarter, estimate faster. It's an agile planning poker application. Okay, so when developing, you have the agile way of working, and aspect of that is getting story points on your tickets. So we call that we can do that with a planning poker. So this is what this tool will be all about, I guess. Um, First thing I always check when I visit a landing page, is it very clear what will happen? So for me, I open the page, plan smarter, estimate faster. So they're all about estimates. That's clear. Run agile estimation sessions that actually flow. With Planela, your team can vote on story points in real time, discuss results instantly, and track estimation patterns that improve every sprint. Okay, I'm curious. Um, First thing for me, it's not really 100% clear what this tool will do. So maybe show me an example. Will it be the typical planning poker apps that you have where you can vote, where you can give estimates, story points to tickets real time? Um, Not quite sure. Okay, we have some stats about the usage of the app. Okay. Um, I don't really feel it should be here already. I think we should more get straight into the features, like maybe the first four important points. What is Planilla all about? Why would I use it? What are the features? This looks more like social proof. So maybe when you have a review of your app, somebody giving you some comments, place that on the website. Uh, Additional, you can add these stats so you can show the users, it's been used. Real numbers from real teams. Yeah, okay, I guess. Okay, here are the features. Start planning smarter today. The first impression I have, all these uppercases, this looks really, to me, AI. This is not how we write titles. We're not writing titles with everything in capital, so remove that, make it a normal sentence, and let's get started. So, okay, I cannot click on these images, so first thing I would say is zoom in so I can see what's on it. So now it just gives me an impression there's some sort of list, not quite sure. Start planning smarter today. Planila makes agile estimation simple and collaborative. Vote in real time, reach consensus quickly, and get insights all with seamless integration into your existing workflow. I think the text is really hard to understand. Make it more easy to get what's going on. I need to process a lot. I need to think about it. It's costing me energy to really know what's going on. Insightful planning poker reports. Okay, so you get the reports. That's nice. That's clear. I'm not even gonna read it. It's too much for me. From chaos to clarity. Bring structure to your planning sessions with purposeful features. Okay. So real-time voting again, session summary reports again. So I would bring this more to the top so people can right away see what are the features of this app you are building. Okay, t-shirt and numeric estimations, flexible sizing formats for every team's workflow. Okay, choose between story points or t-shirt sizes to match your themes. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Um, I think you can bring this again as a feature. So you're going to do estimates, but hey, we are doing two options, t-shirts and numeric. So Um, Play with this, make it visual. Show a T-shirt, show a poker card set or something like that. It's straight away. People can see it. Oh, okay, cool. They have these options. Nice. Real-time voting. Show an example. I want to see what's all about. Session summary reports. Show an example. What kind of reports? What data do I need? Will you tell me that previously we had completely wrong estimation? Not quite sure. So for every aspect, I would bring it more into a small example, bite-sized examples. Ready to dive in? Okay, very good. You always end the homepage with a Start Now page. Call to action. So let's do that. First thing I noticed, there's also no pricing feature, so I guess this is free. Will it be forever free? Will there be a pricing label on it? Will you provide packages at the end of the day? Not quite sure. Also, there's no create account button, only a login button. Start now, login. Ah, okay, it's passwordless. This is nice. This is nice. I like this. It's one of the first time I see this. Very good. Let's do that. Magic link sent. Please check your email to log in. Let's do that. Try it again. Aha. It's in the spam. Okay. So let's sign in. Access denied. That's because it's the first email. Okay, that's clear. Let's try it with the second one. Okay. So it's clearly that I'm logged in right now. But you bring me to the home page. That's strange. So I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed here. So what should I do? Anonymous user. Okay. So I stay on the home page. Start now. And I need to create a game. You should onboard me better. So when I log in, bring me to a page where you explain, okay, welcome user, welcome to Planela. This is what will happen. We start by creating a game. What is a game? Explain what a game is. So, okay, let's say the game's title here is Project Estimates. A voting system. Yeah, I like to work with Fibonacci, but let's say the power of two. Let's do the power of two. That's one we use two. Okay, create your profile. Okay, so I feel lost again. So what do I need to do? Project estimates. My navigation disappeared, the one that I had before. So I create a scope, pick it to, let's say, improve onboarding. Make it clear to the user what will happen. Okay, okay. Now we're here. So what I see here is I see the cards, the poker card. This is what I want to see on the homepage as well. Show me in detail that I'm going to vote. Um, so okay, we need to make it clear to the user what will happen. We're gonna improve the onboarding. What we will do is it's quite a lot of work, so let's give it an 8. Reveal. Okay. Perfect. Vote just this I like. So yeah, perfect. So you show all the votes. For now, of course, I'm just one user, but when you let all the people vote, show them indeed the mode, the median, the average, that's very, very good. Um, yeah, perfect. Not quite sure what this is. I guess I can overwrite it. It's the end. Okay, okay. It's the conclusion. What will we choose? Of course, we will say it's 8. End session. Ending the session will conclude the planning round. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay. Okay. So right now we're jumping through the dashboard, the reporting, I would say. It's not clear in. Okay, so this is what I created. How do I go back? Mm, okay, so the navigation is a total mess. So let's see what we're seeing here. Total session duration. Okay, we see all these stats: longest discussion, shortest discussion, quickest voter, thoughtful voter. Yes, there's only one, so yeah. I'm curious how you do this. The least and the most optimistic voter. Um, but there's not enough info for me, so I cannot get it right away. It should be more clear. Maybe put some info boxes or FAQ items on the page. You can use a sidebar on the right to give some more information. Maybe the typical information icons, when I hover them, give me some extra information. How does it work? Why? Issues. Okay. Improve on board. Okay, so it creates the own IDs. That's nice. Reminds me of the Jira workflow. Okay, so I cannot leave this page. Ah, I can I can go to the home page again. Okay, then I go to meetings and I create a new meeting. So okay, okay, we're there. Th- This needs a lot of love. Work with a sidebar. Make it more easy to understand. You have these projects. You have a list of projects. You have the details of it. Hey, check again the scorings. People gave the estimates. Sorry, it's not clear right now. You have a lot of potential, but you're not bringing it in a good visual way. So I'm going to my profile. Okay, that's just the name. Perfect. Yeah, and I can log out. So I'm gonna check something. So I see the features here. Okay, I like this page. This is really nice. Okay, so if I log out, why don't I see these features here? So if I click on this, I do get this page. But this seems a bit the same, or a better version of what I see here. So I would maybe combine them, make them one big features or a small features section and use one. I will log in again. Let's see. Okay, so I will have report not spam, of course. Okay, so we have a new one. Very quick, very nice. Okay, so meetings. I will create a new one. Let's say the Jira project. Voting system. Let's do again the power of 2. No, let's take the t-shirt size. Here we go. Okay, so I can import from Jira. Perfect. that works. It was a question I had. Can I connect with my Jira environment? Because all the tickets we have are living into Jira. So I really want to make estimates on that. I'm not going to do that right now, but it's perfect that you have it. Maybe when you do the import from Jira, first tell me what will happen. Will you load all my projects? Will you load all my tickets? But also, when I make a vote, when we decided with the team, okay, this is how much story points we're giving, will you sync it to Jira? Will I see the estimates there? Because in Jira, I can have an estimates field. That's important for me to know. But I really like that you make this connection. Uh, Maybe you should try it for a lot of other apps like the Linear, the Notion. I think you could do a lot of fun stuff with that. Jira already has it as estimates, but make the smaller teams. Which apps are they using? What is hip and trendy right now? Try to connect with them as well, so you can get these users to onboard and help you a lot. Okay, I see notes coming soon. Some kind of button, but it's not working. Okay. Ah, this is very good. Invite the players, share the link with your team. Very good, very good. Okay, very nice. So, Planela, some points. Um, I think the name is difficult to pronounce, for me at least. Um, I like what you're doing here. You have a voting system, but you can vote in a lot of ways. Um, there are plenty of apps that do this, but I think you're doing a really nice job. You should improve why I should use Planila and not all the other apps. There is the power of connection, so you can connect with Jira or any other tools. I see that under features, for example, you show that you will connect with all of these. Perfect, perfect. Um, Try some low-hanging fruit apps, Linear or Notion, that kind of stuff, to get more visitors to your page to test it. What I can suggest is to really, really try to get the user to one app experience. Give them a sidebar with their projects. Give them easier access to where they are right now. Their meeting summaries, to vote again. I think the navigation is a real big mess. So that's a real downside for me. But I do like the UI. It's nice, it's clean. So yeah, very good. Will I use it right now? For me, at this moment, no. Um, Mainly because of the UX. It's not really easy to use. But I do like the voting system. So I think I will give it a try with my team just to invite them into this one meeting. And let's say we discuss some tickets for a smaller project. Would I use it? Yes, to try it out. Um, but I will definitely check it out later again when there are more updates. I think this app has some potential, but try to stand out, try to be different than all the other apps that do the same. All right, that was my feedback. I hope you enjoyed it and keep up the good work.